Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check your eligibility for Israel Electronic Travel Authorization to enter the state of Israel. So guys, this is called ETA-IL, okay? With this, you can be allowed to travel to Israel and stay up to 90 days per visit. But again, not every country's citizens are eligible for this. So in order to check the eligibility, what you can do is like on this Israel Population and Immigration Authority page, they have the link check eligibility. This is what we are going to cover in this video. Okay, about the process, how to apply, we'll cover in a different video. So first, check your nationality, whatever it is. Let's say you are a Canadian national. So I select this. Go to next. Travel documents. So regular passport, I select. Biometric, I select. Yes, you can check your passport if it is biometric or not. Next, main purpose, I'll go for tourism. Next, yes, you are eligible. But if you want to change anything, for example, if I select, let's say, Canada, passport, regular passport, if I select no, then visit tourism, still you can have, anyway, that's how it is. Fee is also given, and you cannot get a refund after you apply. Okay, so this I will cover in a different video, but thanks for watching this video, guys. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.